Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Sorry guys, I'm trying to adjust the camera so that it moves through the entire paper. Come on, camera. Going just a little higher, yeah. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do to make the paper airplane is get a sheet of paper. This will be a normal one, or else it'll become a little too big. Now take the corner, and actually, this step is easier for a beginner. Well, I'm not a good folder, so first, if you're not a good folder, then just fold a line down the middle. As you know, I do like to crease. Hey, yeah. Next, we bend one corner to the line. And do the same for the other one. I like to put my finger in there so that it doesn't go overlap. Next, we fold. You see this edge right here where the bottom of this triangle and this triangle right here? You bend it down so that this line right here matches this line right here. So I'll just take 1 second to figure that out. And then after you do that, same steps as 1 and 2. Fold it to the line in the center. So let me do this other line. Sorry if my folds aren't entirely accurate. After you do that, watch carefully. Take this and bend it. Bend. Like, I want this piece of paper. Now you bend this behind. So look, I have this. Actually, turn this sheet of paper so that the point faces left. Then look what I do. Take the top flap, bend it upside down, and then flip this plane over. And so far, that's most of what we have. All I do is make the wings. So to make the wings, we take this top half. You see this line right here. You match it up with the line down here, which is technically right here. So let me do that. After you do that, it should look something like this. It should trick you in thinking that this is the full plane, but we still have to do the same to the other side. Do the same to the other side. After you do that, you should have a plane. Sharpen the tip. Oh, dang. Sorry, guys. This camera. How big? Now, here is now. I'm sharpening the tip. The better, the sharper the tip, the more fast and smooth it's gonna fly. Yes. Thank you for watching. Oh, please subscribe. Always like this channel. Like the video. Click the little bell icon, never miss an upload. Share this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.